Trello can be a powerful tool for organizing and managing real estate tasks, whether you're a real estate agent, property manager, or investor. Here's how to use Trello for real estate. Create a board for your real estate workflow. Start by creating a Trello board specifically for your real estate projects. For example, you might name it Real Estate Listings or Property Management. Set up lists for different stages. Organize your board into lists that represent various stages in your real estate process, such as leads or prospects, property viewings, under contract, closed or completed, maintenance or repairs. Add cards for properties. For each property, create a card. Include essential details like property address, listing price, contact information, photos, and any notes. You can attach contracts, inspection reports, and other files to the card for easy reference. Use labels and due dates. Label cards with tags like residential, commercial, or investment to categorize them. You can also add due dates to track important milestones, such as contract signing or closing dates. Assign team members. If you're working with a team, assign cards to different team members for tasks like showing properties, handling contracts, or coordinating repairs.